Carrots contain beta-carotene, which your body uses to make vitamin A for normal vision. In your small intestine, food particles are broken down further, releasing beta-carotene for absorption. The intestinal lining absorbs beta-carotene, allowing your body to transport the nutrient for further processing. Your liver processes beta-carotene and helps convert some of it into vitamin A for the body's needs. Your vitamin A supports the retina, where specialized cells respond to light and help create visual signals. So carrots do more than add color to your plate, help supply vitamin A for normal vision. Your body is working for you every second. Feed it wisely.